Boy, has it been a while since I've made a video for this channel. I've been so busy with work and all kinds of stuff. But here we are, back at it again. So today, my plan is to hopefully tint the Mazda windows. I bought some of the cheapest tint that they have at AutoZone. I watched some videos of some people installing it. It looks like exactly what I paid for, and I'm not worried about it. It's not going to be perfect. That's kind of the point of this truck, as you guys know. But yeah, so I got the Mazda windows outside of them rinsed off. I just pulled it into the shed here. So I'm going to let it dry off a little bit, and then go for an attempt. I'm going to start on the passenger side, because this is the side of the truck that obviously is not the most visually pleasing due to this, and this flare wasn't the best. This is kind of like the trial side, and then after I figure it out, this is the nicer side, even though it's not that nice. That's alright though. Hopefully by the end of this video, these windows will be darker and won't have many air bubbles. That's the goal. So yeah, hopefully I'll be putting out videos a little bit more steadily, because I've been on a little bit of a hiatus lately. But that's alright, that's life. So I guess I'll give you guys a quick status update on my other projects. This is my nice GSX. Currently won't start. I'm getting the click from the solenoid whenever I try to start it, so I have a solenoid on the way, and I'm hoping and praying that that is the issue. I bought a new battery. Didn't help. Not much progress with this GSX, just because I've been so busy. I got the Mazda on the road. If you follow me on my Instagram, then you would have seen that. So that's definitely a plus. The Jetta's dirty as ever, because my cat likes to walk all over my vehicle. But she's just hanging in there, doing Jetta things. And the Ram, the old workhorse, just over here chilling in the shade, doing her thing as well. So that's where I'm at. Haven't rode the dirt bike in months. So yeah, gonna attempt to install this tint. It's probably gonna be quite a struggle, but I only spent $10 or 20 and change on the whole kit to do it. I'll show you what I got. It's just that typical cheap Gila or whatever brand. I just got the application kit, and then my tint is right over here. Right here. Window tint, 35%, legal limit. We'll give her a shot. Supposedly it's easy, but we will see. So I'll set you guys up, let you see the process, my struggles, so you can laugh, and take away anything you can when you go and do it yourself with these same materials, because they're common and they're cheap. Supposedly they work, so that's what we're gonna find out today. So stay tuned. Alright, this is try number like 4. I've got it on there. I'm going to try and cut it and then work with this piece. I already messed up the first piece of this roll. Alright, so I just got done tinting the 2 doors. They came out alright. I'll show you the first one I did here. I'm going to have to play with these bubbles a little bit because they were fighting me and I couldn't get them, but not really great. You need to stand at least 10 feet away to make it seem like it's somewhat decent. I did a little better on the driver's side. Still got a mean bubble or crease right there, but it'll be good for now until I get it professionally tinted someday. But yeah, I'm gonna pull it out of here, take a shot in the sun, see how it looks, and we'll reevaluate my opinions on my work. But so far, not very high. This stuff is also very difficult to work with. I'll add that in, but it's not an excuse. So yeah, first time is always a difficult one, and we got that out of the way. I definitely improved my skills, so that's what's important. But yeah, we'll get back to you shortly. Alright, so it came out pretty decent. I mean, it's only 35% tint anyway, so it's not going to be that dark. The bubbles are what they are. I got them mostly the way out. I still got to wash off the windows and whatnot. But this is what she's looking like with the applicator drip. Driver's side, not bad. Passenger side, pretty bad. You can see my streaks here, or not streaks, but my bubbles. Still looks good though, from afar. Like I said, learning as we go here, so take a little bit of footage with the drone maybe. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. A little window tint on the Mazda action. Definitely was a learning process, but I got the hang of it towards the end, so next time I go to tint something, I'll definitely have a much better grounds of doing so. So that's the positive here. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and stay tuned to Barnyard Builds for more action.